Hi everyone, I am sharing to you today something that I have ordered online and finally I have received it today. What I have here is something that I will be needing for my coming videos, and actually this is an upgrade of what I have currently. So excited for this, and yeah, let's open the boxes. So, this is what I do have right now. Yay! I bought myself another drone, and like I've mentioned, this is actually an upgrade of what I currently have. What I'm using from the time that you've seen all my videos that's got drone clips, it's using my DJI Spark. So it is a small drone, and what I have purchased is also a smaller version of the DJI, but the newest out in the market, which is called DJI Mini 2. Let's open. This is basically just the size of my palm. So that's the drone itself, and we have a booklet. Okay, so we have the drone itself. Ooh, this is very, very small. Gosh. Whoa. Got all the stickers here. Just reading all the stickers. Okay. My God. I don't know how to use this. This is just different of what I have. Okay, here you go. RC, or the remote control. Right here. And we have all the cables, extra accessories to it. If we need to change this ones here. Oh! This is different. This is big. I don't even know how to use this. Okay. Alright. There's a lot here that I'm taking in. And I'm just gonna go into the booklet and probably do something tutorials in YouTube, so I would learn more how to fly this, because this is different from what I have. Yeah, excited to use this. Hopefully I can be able to experiment on this tomorrow. Let's see. All right, thank you. That's it for the unboxing for my DJI Mini 2. Yeah, excited to use it.